Oo. Welcome to my home. New home. New home. Mario season. Hi, Sir Mario. Thank you for watching and for the thumbs up. Hi. How are you? Where are you from, Sir Mario? Philippines. Saan po dito sa Pilipinas? Thank you for sa pag-join. What are you writing? Job. Sulat ako. Part of my, nagtatrabaho sa bahay. Working at home. Thank you for Gabriel. Thank you. Hi, Golden Pizza. Hello. Thank you so much. Nagkaburol na. Thank you so much for joining. Against the light, against the light. Thank you so much. Ayun, maliwanag. Maliwanag ang sikat ng araw. Thank you. Salamat sa nag-join. Thank you for the thumbs up. Thank you for the thumbs up. Thank you for the, sa 8 million viewers. Working. Work at home. Winnie here. Philippines. On the computer, yes. Thank you for the 11 million guys. Thank you for the 3 thumbs up. Ayan na. Thank you so much. Are you looking for my phone number on the computer? Why? Well, you have you have a phone number? Kumusta po sa inyong nag-uulan po kasi sa amin? Dito din sa amin, Tablet Lover 67. You're fine, Golden Pizza. Hello. Gab, simplay mo ko. Okay lang. Ang kulay puti, Gab, na tasa.
Blanca? Blanca?
Ay, ayo ka dito kan. Kita mo ba sunod lang ka dito sa drawer?
Baka man sa tita.
Hi.
Sa bunto.
Napabog
Ay, ambot na gali.
Nila. Kita mo ba siya? Nag-abot na. Si tita mo ba siya? Nag-abot na. Doon na, meeting doon na.
Fake news lang ay
Fitness check. Go stop his taken. Does she need water? Calm down. Are you had to do massage? Massage? What else? What? It was a joke. Yeah, it was a joke. Yeah, don't be so silly. Golden fishes is so long here in my life. I never knew it. Yeah, I know. I know. Ayun, maliwanag na. Don't be worried. That green shirt is fire. Fire? What is fire? Ay, salamat kuya. Salamat kuya Gab. Bambay talaga ni kuya Gab. It means cold shirt. Ah, okay, cold shirt. Okay. Cold shirt. Thank you for watching, guys. Thank you for the thumbs up. Where's the other friend? Still busy, sleeping. Higher afternoon. My afternoon is rainy here. Rainy here. Hi, te. I'm back. Oh, kumusta ka na, Berno? Nag-asawa ka na? Kumusta na kayo ng jowa mo? Jowa. Sorry, Golden. Sorry. I'm sorry.
Ma, may pagawa ni mamay.
Wait lang. I just take the coffee. Wait. Wait a minute. Tara na, tara na.
Yes.
Oh my god, I'm back. Hi Mario. Okay lang. Where's I'm here now. But okay, can you speak English please, Barnock? Barnock, if he can speak English. Barnock. Para gabo, baka liman ako kape. Ay, ama ako, three.
Nakakuha ka?
Hara.
Dito mo sa ina ko kay ano.
Ama, di. Kaya lang sabi ko, kami mga luho na. It's rock
Eh, iraga.
dito, nakuruhulbot ni mamay, no?
Kaya nga, marangan dito.
Papagalong doon yun, lugo.
Inumod ko na nga.
Ay, na,
Magbubuot ka, pati na makaigap. Kuya Kart! Ano? Jadi, mama. Sino mama mo? Mayra.
no, stop licking the rope. My brother fixed it. I think shooting. She said her brother fixed it. Yeah, my brother's fixed it. My brother.
Tapos balak.
I want coffee. I asked Gab to buy me a coffee. Gab, oh, nakali ako kain.
Ah, ano naman? Ano naman?
Oh, Gab, oh. Kape.
Ibig na dito?
Thank you for joining, guys. And for the thumbs up, thank you so much. Was your morning good? Yes, morning good. Having a good day today. God buy what for you? Coffee. He buy me a coffee. Welcome. Thank you, too. Thank you. How are you guys? What are you doing right now? I'm doing good watching a movie. What movie you watching? Thank you, Gab. Wala. Go, go. Kulang. Ayan, nakabakal na. Ayun na, no? Hello.
Ito, binuksan mo yun?
Record.
Saro-saro mo na nga yan eh.
Ayan. Oo. Paper Omi. I'm making a doll. Okay. I'm making a doll of paper Omi.
Nang amang dito na yun. Ano?
Paper Omi.
Ano ba?
Hi, Tian.
Kuya.
Ayun. Ayun, nag-ano pa sila. Brigada.
Kuya, sila yung suda ka rin-ibok sa bulong. Tidak mo. Salita ko. Kasi sila magpapangkilan na sa Dapat, sama. Tudang sini ka. Tidak siap.
So many little girls. Daya. Many little girls. Thank you for the thumbs up. Thank you, guys. Many little girls. Oh my goodness. Hirap pag ano. Pay attention here. Yes. Gab, timplahin man tabi ka Gab. Salamat kuya Gab. Bye salat, timplahin man makapi. Add ko nga lang ko. Thank you kuya.
Ubus ba?
Pa?
Ubus mo?
Iba ang gusto ko. Not work. Okay.
Oo, ubus mo yan.
Wait lang. Ay, thank you so much for watching, guys. For the thumbs up.
Bata ka yan. Tara, ito na yan.
Hello. Hello, Tiyang. Tagi man Tiyang. Tiyang. Hello, Tiyang. Tagi man Tiyang. Tiyang ka. Ngayon. Ano? Tagi man. Okay, Gabby's eating more chips. Ako man. My mushroom.
Dad.
Mamin ka mo.
Kuya.
Mushroom.
Tugod.
Tabi.
Dad, ganyan. Lagi daw kayo lang.
So what's going on? Going on?
Dad.
Going on. What's
Anak. Sada. Ay, anak.
yeah, going on lol. I don't know what's going on.
Kuya ko tayo doon. Ayan, sagot.
We don't know. yeah, going. We're looking at going not much. Ta-da-ta. Thank you for the thumbs up. Thank you so much. Hello, baby. Ay, grabe. Wow, ang galing naman ito yung Gab. Thank you so much. Ay lang, Gab. Why ito hal ka ito
Yeah, ay.
Opo. Opo. Thank you. Call then. What time is it? Is it where you're from? Let me guess. When I first come back, look like was working, then you stop working and start talking to us.
Ma, kung niya dito dyan sa dito.
Opo.
Ay, yun ko.
Yeah.
Kabaw.
Ada na, Gab. Eh, kagana niya. Kumaraot yung asa yun. Golden, not golden, yes.
Bolo Islam.
Yes, golden, not golden.
Dami nga pa. Kuya. Kaya nga, sila lang.
Let me guess. Let me guess. Coffee, yes, coffee. Let's coffee, guys. Thank you for the thumbs up. Thank you so much. Thank you for the 4 million. That's it for Gab today. No more junk food, yeah. No more junk food. Okay. to the train today over there. Stop raining now. Stop raining now here.
Sino na mamay? Ay,
The weather is calm down. Stop
mamay,
raining.
dali mamay.
Sino ka pa? Ayun na! Sus na!
Yun, yun.
Tara na, tara na.
May Martin.
Gabriel.
Uso man din ito. Grabe.
Oh, Gabriel. Unahin na nagla-live ako. Doon ka naman nagbalagaw-bagaw. Dito ka naman ako. Kaya naka-live ako. Oh my God.
Yakart din yun. Yakart.
Nano, din.
Alipin tayo. Bigbitin na natin ito guys. Kasi
Let's
kakapay ko.
You look like you want to ask me a question, lol. What question? How old are you? Where do you live? Like that? Oh, that's no common question, maybe. Where you from? Kaka na yung towel ba ba?
Ay, karo tita.
Tita.
Pasyon.
Coffee.
Coffee boy. Yan lang, samog.
I want to stay, never go from you. I'm from Ohio. From Ohio, USA. What is your work? Good job. Now shipping. Now shipping. What is your job? I think for early morning there.
Mama lang, video din.
Favorite mo?
Ano sa parang saro?
Good. Ipigay yung gab. Akay may planggana dito.
Nagtuturo. Kasi lang mag tuturo man doon.
It's 2 a.m. here. So early. Why you wake up too early in the morning? Too early. Maybe you're also the boss. You're the boss also. So early there. Oh my goodness. Yeah, I should sleep. Yeah. You need to sleep. And I ended live in few minutes. You need to sleep, guys. Too much early, oh my god. Health is wealth. Health is wealth. Why your life so short? Question. Just no one joined. Just I need a watch hour. If you want to help me watch my videos to reach my goal, I need to reach the watch hours, 4K watch hours to apply monetization here on YouTube, please. Tonight I do live again. What your goal? The goal is YouTube uh, have a goal to apply monetization, so I need 4,000 watch hours. Oh my god, so much
Mamamatay mo
difficult
na.
one. Ha? Asa ko yun? To reach. That's why I need to do live. Too busy to work to make a video. But I need to make a video. Even a short. My goodness. Do you have video or only live stream? I have a video and short video. And I do live stream. Yes, I have a video. I have a video. Or really, I only watch you live. Yeah, it's okay. It's helped me a lot, Golden. It's okay if you just watching my live. It helps me a lot. I really appreciate it because people is busy, busy for online. Need to do work. Golden, click on her profile and you will see her other video. Okay, I didn't know you had a video. Okay. Because maybe you join when I do live. It's okay, it's fine. I really appreciate it. It helps me a lot to uh, join me my my live stream. Uh, when I do live 1 hour, then you sleep even few minutes. It's fine. It helps me. It still helps me earn watch hour. People busy on busy life. Yeah, I just never think to click on the page. You will see my life here, my YouTube. Then click view channel. Yes. I need to end the live now. Thank you so much, guys. And tonight here, morning there, your country, I do live again. So hope you join again my live streaming. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much. Bye bye for now. I do live tonight here on the Philippines time. Okay, I have to see, but I think I like the live more. Okay, I do live more. I do like more. Thank you guys. Bye bye. Love you all. Bye bye. Thank you for watching. Thank you for joining my live. God bless. Bye. Oh my god.